Hello guys, it's Explanation Information, the best place for online tech news and more. And today I'm going to be making part 2 of the best places to get free Google Play credits. In this video I'm going to show you how to earn them and how to earn them as quick as possible. Let's get into the video. So first I'm going to be showing you Play Points. Again, you will click the hamburger button on the top of the 3 lines. You scroll over to Play Points. And this is like the little PlayPoint hub or user interface, whatever you want to call it. As you see on the top right corner, I have 4 points. Like I said on my various 5 videos that you could check out, you could earn points by spending in-game purchases. Like you could earn 5 points per $1, and you earn different points for different games. You could also download different apps that have expiration dates. Like a lot of these expire March 22nd and March 15th, so that's in a couple days. And they will be adding more once they're expired. So once and there's also this little perks tab. So when you level up, which I'm about to show you about that right now, a whole bunch of stuff will start appearing in your perks. Now you already have a little sneak peek on it right there. We have bronze, 1 point per $1, and I'm on silver. So what you want to do is click on this little settings bar over here. Go over here to level benefit. As you see, there's bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, which is the highest. Now each one brings its own benefits. Bronze, 1 point per $1 spent, 1.1 for silver, 1.2 for gold, and 1.4 play points for $1 spent. And platinum brings stuff like 4 times multipliers on top purchases for the week. Also premium support for this. Right now bronze, you're not earning that much, just 1 play point average. And yeah, you could also earn up for 2 times point when you buy movies and books, and that's another way you could earn points, by purchasing movies and TV apps, and also books, audio books, and all that you will enjoy. Now basically it's a kind of pay to win thing. So basically you could pay to get how should I frame this? So basically, to sum it up, you could pay for these in-app purchases to get points, and that will level up to get higher ranking. So basically you pay for your better benefit and this thing. So you pay for your better benefit, and so basically by the end of your purchasing, it'll be more worth it because you're getting a higher amount of points. Now once you actually finish doing all that, you could go over here to use, and use whole bunch of things you could use it on, like coupons, donations, and even in-app game purchases that you get for free. Now let's go ahead and head on to Google Opinion Rewards. Now once you head on to Google Opinion Rewards, which you could download from your Play Store. I think it's only, I don't know, yeah, never mind. So Google Opinion Rewards is basically where you could earn rewards from answering different surveys. I've answered 35 surveys and earned $11.61, while averaging, I would say, around 20 cents, 15 to 20 cents per survey. Now let me tell you, would you believe me if I said you could earn more than I'm earning right now? I have 21 cents right now, and they also have an expiration date. So this expires March 7, 2021, but that's a long time to come anyways. So basically, before I tell you that, you could earn surveys by you could get more surveys, which basically means you could earn more money by participating and interacting with different Google apps like YouTube, answering polls and surveys, interacting with your favorite YouTubers, reviewing different Google things you do, like when you go out for a restaurant and things like that, and etc. So if you do things like that, interacting with more Google apps and the Play Store and stuff like that, you could get more surveys. Once you actually get on your survey, as you see, I think the highest I've earned is like close to $1, like 94 cents or 90 27. You get more money depending on the answers you choose in the surveys. So basically, if you choose the answers where Google can ask you questions more, then the survey will continue longer and you can earn more money. Like if it's saying, have you ever watched, say for example, explanation information, which you have. If you were to select no, then it's not going to ask you questions about that because you never watched it. So you lose out on amount of money you can get. So yeah, that's basically it for the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and if you haven't already used both of these apps or features, make sure you do. And yeah, that's it. If y'all want me to make another video on this, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next